Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
I'll stay at the Central Hotel. I'll stay at the Central Hotel. I'm here on business. I'm here on business. How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family? I went to New York on business. I went to New York on business.
Sign here, please. Sign here, please.
I'm afraid I can't make it. I'm afraid I can't make it.
Never mind. Never mind.
Don't mention it. Don't mention it.
Have you ever been here before? Have you ever been here before? About 2 weeks. About 2 weeks. Is there something wrong? Is there something wrong? I'm here to visit family. I'm here to visit family.
It's true. It's true.
We'll give you a call. We'll give you a call. Is this your first time with us? Is this your first time with us? Is the water too cold? Is the water too cold? I'll leave it up to you. I'll leave it up to you. What day is it today? What day is it today? Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. The day after tomorrow is Friday. The day after tomorrow is Friday. Monday is the worst day of the week. Monday is the worst day of the week. It's already Sunday. It's already Sunday. We'll arrive 30 minutes early. We'll arrive 30 minutes early. It looks like it will take about 30 more minutes to get there. It looks like it will take about 30 more minutes to get there. The flight will arrive at 8:45 p.m. The flight will arrive at 8:45 p.m. She'll be here by 7 p.m. She'll be here by 7 p.m. This is fun. This is fun. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. I can't take any more. I can't take any more.
It's too expensive. It's too expensive.
What time is it? What time is it? I'd like to exchange money. I'd like to exchange money. I'd like to make a withdrawal. I'd like to make a withdrawal. I'd like to open an account. I'd like to open an account. I'd like to make a deposit. I'd like to make a deposit. Could I have a statement, please? Could I have a statement, please? Do you have any identification? Do you have any identification? Go back. Go back. Are there any annual charges with this account? Are there any annual charges with this account? Can you come back later? Can you come back later? Sorry, we're completely booked. Sorry, we're completely booked. Can I have a receipt, please? Can I have a receipt, please? Can I have a bag, please? Can I have a bag, please? I'll take one of this. I'll take one of this. What's that? What's that? Ready to start? Ready to start? What is a good time for you? What is a good time for you? It's only Tuesday. It's only Tuesday.
Want to speak real English from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at EnglishClass101.com.
Slower, please. Slower, please.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Once again, please. Once again, please. It's difficult. It's difficult. Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hello. Hello.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening.
Good night. Good night.
Sorry to keep you waiting. Sorry to keep you waiting.
How are you? How are you?
How have you been? How have you been?
I'm good. I'm good.
This is for you. This is for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? How old are you? How old are you?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Where do you live? Where do you live?
What is it? What is it? Awesome. Awesome. Delicious. Delicious. I like it. I like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Help. Help.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Really? Really?
Please? Please?
Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Long time no see. Long time no see. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I want to eat. I want to eat. I'm planning to go tomorrow. I'm planning to go tomorrow. What's this? What's this?
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
How much is this? How much is this?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
May I sit here? May I sit here?
How long will you stay? How long will you stay? I have a fever. I have a fever. Please write it down. Please write it down. It looks great. It looks great. Do you like it? Do you like it? What's the next stop? What's the next stop?
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.